I would like to pay my heartfelt tribute to Betty Bayo. She has been one of our greatest supporters from the time we began, that is in June last year. If you go back to her timelines and my timelines, the videos we've done with her, she was among the first celebrities to come to my office to support me and kunitia nguvu wakati nilitoka, and she not only supported me with words but also by actions. I remember she came to my office and she gave me the idea of us planning the UK summer camp, and we started planning the summer camp with her. And she was telling me that she really wants to see this foundation go places, impact many women who have gone what she has gone through and what I have gone through. And I'm telling you, if you check on the timeline more videos, you'll see her bringing a lot of her friends, akina Shiro GP, akina Ben Gidai. All of them should bring them to my office and she will tell them to post and support the foundation and the works we were doing to support women. It's not easy because most times when you get divorced, if you are a woman, you find that you used to be in the circles of married women, and once you get divorced, your friends, it's like wana kuondokea, wanaacha tu ujisort. You feel very stigmatized, and maybe she went through the same. That's why she really supported me. So as we even before I started paying her as an influencer, she would do the work for free to promote the works that the foundation was doing. And I feel at a very big loss. In the morning, I woke up and started remembering all the good things she has done for me as a friend and for the foundation, and I started crying. I couldn't believe that we will not sit with her, because she used to come to my office. She would give me ideas on what to do, maybe on business wise, or on family wise, and she had great dreams. Actually, she had come to book her birthday. Maybe some of you have seen that video. She was going to America, and she wanted, as she was receiving the treatment, she was very hopeful that in America things will turn positive, and she wanted, as she receives the treatment, she'll be touring America. So we had discussed so many places where she would go to showcase America to the Kenyans, from the cruises to the Universal Studios, to all the beautiful places in Texas. There's a museum she was talking about that is so good for children. I can't even remember, but I will support her, and I'll support the daughter Sky, because I know she wanted Sky to be a global citizen. That's why she wanted her to go to places like Cambridge University during the summer camp. Next year we had planned to do the summer camp in Harvard University, and we had so many plans of how we make our kids to be better than who we are. So for me, my pledge to Sky is that I would support her with all the dreams that the mom had, and we will make sure that she achieves all those dreams. So poleni sana to the family and all the friends of Betty. Yesterday, I had a lot of friends say the same thing that I said about how Betty has supported me, especially in the last 1 year. And we had big dreams with her to tour the world and also to do many things, even in terms of investments. So it was God's will, and I pray that through her daughter, maybe the dreams she had will come to pass.
Perfect. Could you please talk to us about your last moments with her?
So my last moment with her was on Wednesday last week. I didn't she had told me the previous day. She was telling me she's unwell, but she had not really said what it was. So on that day, she called me to the house, and we went. The moment was to plan her birthday and tours in America, and at the same time, we had our usual chats. As women, we laugh a lot about many things. She's a very jovial and vibrant person. So I would tell you that evening, and it's the same evening she got sick at 3 a.m. We had a jovial time. We chatted, we laughed, and the last thing that would have come to anyone's mind, actually, she thought she was misdiagnosed, and she was hoping that when she goes to America, things will be better. Yes.
Okay, away from that, there is a post you've made on your Instagram page a few hours ago, saying that Virtuous Explorer's website and app has been hacked. Talk to, and you also accusing someone that we do not know. I mean, could you talk to us about that?
Oh my God, I think I'm a bit down right now with all that is happening. Yesterday was too much. I started the day very well, launching the app of Virtuous Explorers, Travel Sasa, then Lipa Pole Pole. And then I received the breaking news. So the whole afternoon was dark for me, as if that was not in the evening. Something that I have worked on for the last 3-4 months. I hear that it has been hacked and it has been sold to a competitor, and the competitor is planning to relaunch it tomorrow. So it is too much. I think I just want to go to the office. I've not yet even been to the office. Let me just go get the full details, and then maybe I'll brief my fans.
Okay.
Yes.
So, thank you. Any question? So, thank you so much.